If you're teaching biology, conducting behavioral genetics research, or even just exploring the science of taste, this PTC and controlled taste test kit offers a powerful, hands-on way to demonstrate genetic variation in action. This kit includes 100 strips of both PTC paper and control paper, giving you everything you need for 100 complete controlled experiments. It's perfect for use in classrooms, laboratories, or sensory testing environments where accuracy and repeatability matter. PTC, or phenylthiourea, is a compound that tastes bitter to about 70% of people, depending on their genotype at the TAS2R38 gene, which codes for a bitter taste receptor. If someone can detect the bitterness, they're likely homozygous dominant or heterozygous for that trait. If they taste nothing, they're likely homozygous recessive. This variation is an excellent way to explore genotypes, phenotypes, Mendelian inheritance, and gene expression, all in a format that's interactive, memorable, and scientifically meaningful. Each test is simple to conduct. Just place a PTC strip on the tongue for about 10 seconds and observe the response: bland, bitter, or in some cases, incredibly bitter. Then repeat the same process with a control strip, which should have no taste. Including a control not only strengthens your experiment's validity, but also reinforces important concepts in scientific design and placebo comparison. This kit is ideal for biology teachers demonstrating heredity and genetic traits, food science professionals studying flavor sensitivity, researchers conducting population genetics or behavioral studies, and of course, students of the curious-minded simply exploring whether they're a super taster. Whether you're looking to engage students, run a controlled sensory experiment, or just find out who in your group is unlucky enough to taste the bitterness, this kit gives you everything you need to explore genetics and taste in a reliable, economical, and scientifically valuable way.